Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x80071ab1 error log growth failed on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, first of all, you need to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Troubleshoot in the right pane. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to install all updates, basically to update Windows. So right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane, select Check for Updates. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components. Okay, so for this we have a script here. All you need to do is to copy the script. I'll share it in the description section of the video. So all you need to do is copy the script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Now here's what you have to do. You will have to stop all Windows Update components, delete the Windows Update profile, delete the contents of the software distribution and cat22 folders, re-register all the DLLs, and then you can reset WinSock, and then finally you can restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.